Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have set the stage for November to become something big. Bitcoin is sitting close to 72,000, which has been rejected in the past about 4 times. Now, once we break over 72,000, there is so much exploration that we have left for Bitcoin price to keep climbing. On the other end, Doge is doing something similar, sitting close to 17 cents and just got rejected today morning, close to 17.5. But what is crazy is the trading volume. Doge is actually competing with one of the largest coins such as Solana with the amount of trading volume that it is receiving on its network. If we look at the trajectory in terms of what Bitcoin is doing right now, well, on the FR level, you guys know that Bitcoin is showing some positive trends. $174,000 to nearly $500,000 could be on the line. Will Dogecoin hit 22 cents? I mean, if we break above the 17.5, the next resistance is definitely going to be well above 20 cents. Dogecoin surges above 24 billion as Trump is starting to get a little bit more traction, and Visa enables real-time deposit and withdrawal for Coinbase. This is very, very huge. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. That will keep you, part of the squad. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. High user engagement, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of money. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about something very critical. If we just go to Dogecoin, you guys will realize that the trading volume might be down 11% today, but it is so much. 3.3 billion. If you just compare it to about 7 days ago, it was sitting just above a billion, and a lot of people were very excited. And let's just say we have 3x that, and right now we are still going on an upcline rather than a downcline. Also, if you look at the trading volume in terms of what tokens are doing some big numbers, well, Doge is definitely in the top 10 by quite a margin. And if you talk about another, let's say, a meme coin, which could be Shiba Inu, sitting at 700 million, which is actually 4 times less. And if you guys remember, at one point, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin's market cap was closing in very quickly. Now 2.5 times more when it comes to Dogecoin. If we talk about the price action, you guys can see that previously 17.5 for Dogecoin has been a really critical resistance. That will be a little hard to break, but you need to understand that if we're able to break above this, the next big resistance is actually going to be close to 22 cents, which was actually tested this bull market, which actually started at February, if you guys know. Since then, 22 cents is the highest that Doge has been able to climb to. If we do break it, which is very likely we're going to break it this time around, we will be seeing some explosive move from Dogecoin as well. It's very likely expected that Doge will be able to climb all the way to 30 cents in less than, let's say, a month, maybe even before the end of November. Now, you need to understand, most likely there is going to be a sell on news event. So even if Trump gets elected on the 5th of November, just so you guys know, I am not supporting either of them. I'm not from America. But even if Trump does decide to get elected, yes, Trump is a huge supporter of crypto, but there will be a little bit of a pullback, just like the interest rate when they were announced. You guys know that first week after the interest rate were announced in mid-September, we did actually see the market just being stable, even actually had a little bit of a pullback. But after that, the run-up that we received, there was a little bit of consolidation, another run-up, and that's exactly what is expected. If the interest rate, which will be released in just about 2 to 3 days from the election results, if that also goes in favor of crypto, let's just say November has always been the best month for crypto, and this time around it would be nothing any different. Now, if we talk about in the last bull run, Bitcoin had peaked about 1.6 or 2.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Following a similar pattern, next Bitcoin run-up could actually push it all the way to 180k to 460,000. Now, is that possible? In my opinion, it would be a little bit harder to do compared to what we did previously, because you need to understand that previously the market cap was much lower. This time around, the market cap is huge. And if we talk about Dogecoin on the other end, 22 cents, due to the way that Elon has been promoting and being part of Trump, if he does decide to join the election or actually become part of the government when Trump gets elected and name himself as Doge, let's just say Dogecoin will have a very positive impact. Now, we all know that Visa has been the best or one of the biggest when it comes to anything relating to money or online money. Now, them partnering up with Coinbase is a huge deal because in the US and EU, now you will be able to deposit and withdraw your money instantly if you guys do want to do it with Coinbase and Visa. Now, that's a real-time withdrawal and deposit. That's a big step in the right direction. Talking about the open interest, it's still holding really strong above 1 billion. And if we talk about liquidation, let's just say the sellers are not having a good time with $6.7 million being liquidated just in the last 24 hours. The long to the short ratio, little bit going in favor of short now. I mean, yesterday was sitting close to 59, now it's sitting close to 57. Now, boys and girls, the Dogecoin is on target. There is more targets to reach, but this is just the beginning. Now, Bhutan, which is a country, transfers $65 million in Bitcoin to Binance, prepares for a sale ? Now, you need to understand that most of the whales, when they decide to send their money to any exchange, in that sense, while they usually like to sell, and that's exactly what a country would do, something similar. So this could be a little bit cautious. 4 consecutive rejections at 72,000, and that's exactly what I was talking about. This time around, if we're able to break above that 72,000, we will be setting that all-time high, and at the same time, a lot of exploration for the market to keep climbing. Honestly, at this point, there is so much optimism when it comes to the crypto market. I wouldn't be surprised if we keep climbing really quickly. Dogecoin 28% price surge puts it on track for a new 2024 high. Now, if that happens, I know for a fact a lot of you guys are going to be very happy. It hasn't happened since 2020, but this time around, if it does happen, it would be a game changer. Now, Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin could see a new yearly high following a 15% surge. Now, if this 15% surge happens, we will just have to break above that 22 cents, which is very likely. But if we do break above that, that's the exploration point that I was talking about for this year, because Doge has been doing good, but it's not keeping up at the rate which Bitcoin is growing, and a lot of people are a little concerned. Well, honestly, there is so much room for Doge to still go. Trump victory may give crypto a dopamine hit, and dopamine hits are usually not seen as a positive thing, because a short-term gain, well, we need to make sure that that also transfers to a long-term gain. Right now, Trump is heavily favored when it comes to the voting, but Ripple CEO urges the next president to prioritize US crypto regulation reform. Now, I don't understand if XRP is on the side of crypto or the government. That will be your decision to make in the comment section. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Just be a little patient. We are in for the wild ride. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out.